The following message is released via the consensus of all members of the O5 Council. This alert is from the SCP-Foundation, a secret international organization which has been dedicated to your safety for over 100 years. We are aligned with your local government, so this message is genuine. The SCP-Foundation has been dedicated to the containment and study of anomalies, items and creatures that violate the laws of physics and nature. Due to circumstances outside of our control, this directive has now changed. Our new mission will be the extermination of the human race. There will be no further communication.